Hi, this is Jeff Vogel at High Fashion Sewing Machines in Grand Junction, Colorado. Today I'm going to show you a new needle grabber I have in the store. It has a handle on it, it's black, and when you push the end of it, it actually pushes out a little hook that grabs the needle. So if I look close at it, there's a little hook there that pushes out, and you take your sewing machine needle and you push it in there and it just grabs it. And then I rotate the needle to where the flat is in the back, and we can line that up and get it up into that machine so simply there, and then tighten it down. Then I push on the button on the back and that needle is in the machine already. The other thing I want to show you is a nice little way to store your used needles. So take an old bottle, I like the prescription bottle, and I take a sharp tip little knife, and there's a little dimple in the top there, and I just rotate this until there's a hole. Now, when you take a used needle out of your machine, a needle is only good for about 8 to 10 hours of sewing unless it's titanium, and then you can double that amount. Take your used needle, put it right in that hole, and now you've got your needles all in one little place. It's not going to hurt anything. I actually use these to put up all my displays in my stores. So any quilt that's on the wall is just pounded through the quilt with a used sewing machine needle into the drywall. It's a great way to use those used needles up. Or when you fill this guy all up, you can throw it out. It's not going to hurt anybody. So again, this is on my Shopify account, or you can call the store. The Shopify account is bernina-jeff.myshopify.com, and my website is www.hifashiongj.com. Or if you want to talk with us, please call us at 970-256-1293. This is Bernina Jeff. Thank you very much.